go to your browser and then search for Reply Tutor login, and you will have to find this Teach Online Become an online tutor at Reply. Go over here and you will get the option of create a tutor profile now. Select it. As you can see, there are 3 different processes. That is, you will have to register first, then after you register and all your details are verified, you will be verified as a tutor and you can start teaching. So yeah, simply follow the steps that it shows you and you will be able to use Reply as a tutor. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.